What is their word?
Photograph. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna tell you kung paano ko ginagawa to. Now, when I look at the person, sometimes I match the way she breathes. Yeah? And where she looks at. Okay. Parang, nung iniisip mo tong word na to, immediately may naisip ka na, paano ba ako makakakonect dito? Paborito ko ba to? Think of the last letter.
Okay.
Ooh, when you said K, it's not K, but parang K, may ganun. Parang, so it's H.
Yes.
Yes. Think of how many, parang think of a letter within that word.
Okay.
Okay, you are someone visual. So parang immediately may naisip kang something visual. I'll go with this one. Medyo long yung word na to. Pero sana tama ako. Don't say out loud. Nababasa niyo ba? Yeah? Can you guys read this? Okay. Now, ma'am, loud and clear. Whew. What is their word?
Photograph. Oh my gosh.
Thank you very much.